The Disciplined Mind PLR. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. The Disciplined Mind PLR is an exclusive, completely created from scratch, an absolutely new PLR Monster Package, contained with a premium quality sales funnel on one of the hottest niche which your buyers can edit however they want, sell it under their own name or brand name, by using a complete set of ready-to-install and of the best quality marketing tools, and keep all the profits for themselves. Here's what this Disciplined Mind PLR course covers. Step 1: What discipline really is, and how you can use it to achieve whatever you want in life by taking simple daily action. Step 2: The key mindsets that you absolutely must adopt to develop your discipline, and how to reinforce them so that you put this on autopilot. Step 3: How you can build discipline really quickly and easily by using the things that you are already doing. Step 4: The most effective way to build iron discipline fast and get out of your comfortable life so that you can handle all the knocks that will come your way. Step 5: The simple daily actions that you can take which will rapidly develop an unshakable discipline within you. Step 6: How you can use your newfound discipline to keep yourself on the right track and handle difficult situations effortlessly. Step 7: Why it is essential that you monitor your self-discipline progress regularly and how you can easily achieve this. Step 8: How to implement a discipline system that will ensure you make the most progress in the shortest time and stay on course. Step 9: How to systematically scale up your efforts so that you achieve the iron discipline that will totally transform your life. Step 10: How you can use the failures in your life to become even more disciplined and truly achieve whatever you want. The Disciplined Mind PLR upgrade offers front-end, high-quality brand new training guide, cheat sheet, mind map, resources report, ready-made sales letter and thank you page, hypnotic sales video promo, professionally designed mini site, professionally designed graphics, quality articles, professionally designed banners, promotional email swipes, 10 high-quality e-covers, social media images pack, PLR MRRR license, Auto 1, 10 video tutorials with PLR, ready-made upsell sales page and type page, legal pages, hypnotic sales video, affiliate page with swipes and banners, follow-up emails for the upsell, giveaway report to build your list, full set of professionally designed graphics, training videos project files, PLR license, Auto 2, done for you setup, changing the name on the PLR, uploading it to the hosting account, setting up the payment buttons, and integrating customers' autoresponder. We'll do all of that for them. Ongoing support. Auto 3. 3 Biz in a Box Combo Package. Buyers will get 3 of our brand new, hottest and high-quality Biz in a Box including done for you setup. Auto 4. Members will get 1 complete sales funnel with PLR every month at $27, where normal price is $97. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.